In this module, we will learn how to analyze trends from HR data and derive predictive insights using Excel and Google Sheets. We will go beyond basic metrics and dive into spotting patterns, forecasting future HR outcomes, and making data-driven decisions for hiring, retention, and workforce planning. Part 1. What is trend analysis in HR? Before jumping into formulas and tools, let's first understand what trend analysis means in the context of HR. Trend analysis is the process of examining historical HR data over a period to identify patterns, shifts, or repeated behaviors. It helps HR leaders understand hiring seasonality, track employee attrition trends, forecast headcount needs, spot recurring bottlenecks in recruitment or onboarding, detect patterns in absenteeism, promotions, or engagement. When we say attrition is increasing, that's a trend. But with analysis, we can say attrition increased 15% in the last 3 quarters, especially in sales, and mostly after performance reviews. Part 2. Preparing time. Series data. To perform trend analysis, your data must be structured by time. It can be weekly, monthly, or quarterly. Start by preparing your raw data. Ensure there is a date column, such as join date, exit date, interview date. Create a new column to extract month year using the text formula. Group the data by this time period to create a time series. Also, categorize the data based on department, region, recruiter, etc. if required. We'll now group our exit data by month to observe resignation spikes. Part 3. Visualizing trends with line and bar charts. To see the trend, use charts. Line charts for attrition or hiring trends. Column or bar charts for monthly comparisons. Stacked bar charts to break down by department or location. Line charts are perfect for showing progression over time, while stacked bars help you analyze the breakdown of contributors. Part 4. Forecasting with Excel and Google Sheets. Let's now use tools to predict future outcomes. 4. Excel Forecast Sheet. Select your time series data, go to Data, and then Forecast Sheet. Excel will generate a chart with future predictions, confidence intervals, and a table of values. Use cases. Of this table are: predict hiring demand, forecast attrition, estimate future leave patterns. For manual forecasting, you can follow the steps showing on the screen. Use these formulas when you want more control or when Forecast Sheet isn't available in Google Sheets. Part 5. Interpreting HR trends. What the numbers say. Spotting patterns is only the first half. The second half is interpreting them correctly. For example, if hiring spikes every February and June, those may be peak recruitment periods. Second example. If attrition jumps every Q1, investigate performance review cycles or bonus periods. Next example. If sourcing from LinkedIn gives better offer acceptance over Naukri, reallocate budget. Use comparison metrics to understand trends. Part 6. Adding conditional formatting to spot trends. To highlight trends directly in your sheets, use conditional formatting to color code changes. Use icon sets in Excel or color scales in Google Sheets. Apply red for increasing attrition, green for hiring growth. Even without charts, smart formatting can help you or your boss scan insights quickly. Part 7. Using moving averages and trend lines. Sometimes data is noisy. Use moving averages to smooth out fluctuations. In this module, we learned what HR trend analysis means and why it matters, how to structure and group data for time-based analysis, how to visualize trends with charts, how to forecast using Excel's built-in tools and manual formulas, how to interpret trends and use them for HR strategy, how to make dashboards smarter using moving averages and conditional formatting. This is the true power of HR analytics, not just counting what happened, but knowing why it happened and what will happen next. Next, we'll dive into real HR case studies and build dashboards based on common use cases like recruitment, onboarding, and retention.